going to the beach.
Which beach?
Which beach? Fort Clarence Beach. Where? Portland.
Clarence.
Oh shit! Excuse me. Frenchman Cove Beach, you know, Portland. Don't know exactly where, but you know, 2-hour journey. Start out a little late, but you know, we're just gonna build the vibes and just get going, do what we have to do.
This is everybody. This is Tiny People. Say hi. Hi, everybody.
You following the address, right?
Yes, I am.
So sorry. We are 5 minutes away from the next house. And that's the next car over there. Don't talk to it! Don't.
Yes, you see me at ice.
Yeah. I thought you had ice, bro. You know, sir, you should have all of this. You are late. You! Oh my. You are late. You should have gotten all of this. Why not back the window? That I will be vlogging from my phone. We have stopped because Sashana's car is overheating, so she had to stop. So if I ever seem out of frame, it's because I'm on the phone. We are on our way to Portland, as Olivia said. My camera, I thought I had more battery life. I haven't used my camera, so I don't know why, but it's almost dead. So I'll just be saving that for the water footages, underwater footage and stuff like that. We're waiting on Sash. Said they needed some time, and I hope you can see me. Well, I hope you could see me. Yeah, so hill and all, Portland, the turn. We're going to pick up Malik in Port Antonio, so that too. Do it for the vlog. Oh. Do it for the vlog.
Wait, okay.
Alright guys, so Sashana is on her way. We're gonna jump in the car and we're gonna head out. You guys will be on the vlog. I hope that's okay. Yes. Alright, so yeah. Alright vlog, we're in Port Antonio. Everybody's over there socializing. We're waiting on Malik, even though I called her like an hour ago, and then a half an hour ago, and 15 minutes ago. Waiting on her. How many of you are from Portland? Leave a comment down below letting me know if you're representing Port Antonio, if you're representing St. Margaret's Bay, Hope Bay, wherever in Portland you come from. Let me know. Guys, Port Antonio, the KFC. I'm gonna turn around the camera on me. I'm just gonna give you guys something to look at because I didn't really do much driving footage. So I didn't do much driving footage, so I'm going to something for, you know, enjoy. I could have walked up and down a little bit, but I'm waiting on Malik. It's so empty. Oh, by the way, happy Father's Day to all the fathers that are watching this. Yeah, y'all deserve it. Please be a good father. That's the least y'all can do. That's the least, right? Just to be a good father, be there for your kids. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go now. So still, the camera is not pointed at me, it's pointed at the surroundings. So we're here at Frenchman's Cove. Tashana is at the gate paying, most likely. Yeah. Yeah. Look how beautiful. Oh, is this a shortcut? Anyways, it's beautiful, right? Oh. So guys, see Tashana here, Malik here. Yeah. Everybody else walk on. But me, I will stay and wait for you to tie your shoes laces. Let's wait for my cousins. Let's read what this says. So I'll explain for you this. Santa Maria Calafia. Oh, that's definitely Italian or something like that. Or yeah, I know English. Fragrant flowers, seeds eaten and dispersed by bats. No sir, with the corona something all gone. Non-native. I got my hair in a ponytail. I'll have it in a ponytail all day. I think when I get back to the house, I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna wrap it up with some setters, because look at my roots. You see my roots? Yeah. Look at my cousin.
Bye.
What's your browning? Guys, these are the villas up top. If anybody want me to, yeah. Ask them that. All right. If anybody want me to review any of the villas, my PayPal will be down below. Or what you can do is just book it and send me the confirmation email. I'm dead serious. Because somehow I talk big talk about money. This is the time to prove it. You see that villa? I can show you exactly how inside look. Just send me the coins. And this is Frenchman's Cove, by the way. Like I said, sorry my hand is shaking, but I want to make sure my camera is used for the water bits. And I won't be diving in because I got a silk press, and it would be a big waste of money if I dive under the water and things like that when I just got my hair done, so I'm not gonna do that. But I really do hope you all enjoy. Wow guys, look at the blue. Guys, welcome to Frenchman's Cove. This is like my 50th time here. Frenchman's Cove is the new Duns River Falls because we come here so much. I'm tired. Nobody can send me back to Duns River. Like the amount of time I walk up the falls. Guys, I won't be vlogging as much. So please, I hope you enjoyed the little bit that I do have. Because like I said, I enjoy when I go in the water and I can dive off and swim under. Lord God, the water cool. So I won't be really spending that much time in the water this time. Plus I've been here plenty of times before. I'm not missing anything. I'll link my old Portland vlog. Don't mess with me here, Kyle.
What?
Anyways,
Well, you know you don't come here, but what are you doing here?
I did my hair for the birthday party yesterday.
That's your. So you tired deserve it purpose?
Huh? No. come back to the beach and make it more fun for you all. If anybody's gonna dive off into the water, then I'll give them the camera. But for now, it's just a little, probably gonna be a little 10-minute vlog. Like I said, next time.
Alright, so just yell. I'm missing it in the back. You see that?
What? I have to show Olivia my design.
These are Shoshana's law school friends.
I'm running.
Happy birthday to so on a sequence. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Olivia. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Remix.
Dear Lord.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday this week. This week. Happy birthday. Come on, yeah.
I don't know what's happening.
We just don't know what yeah, that was the best we could do, guys.
We tried.
We tried. Alright, hi people. I don't have any shots of the beach underwater. I don't have any underwater shots. But I'm walking back to the car now, and I just want to show you how peaceful and pretty everything looks. So, doesn't it look really peaceful? Oh. I think it looks pretty.